Hello, hens and roosters, and welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Naomi, and this is Summer Hen Beauty. Today, I'm going to teach you such a cool trick. I'm so excited to bring this to you. This is Marilyn Monroe's lip contouring hack. I call it the 2 lip gloss trick. Okay, what is lip contouring? Any kind of contouring is playing with light and shadows. Effectively, when we contour, we take things that are lighter and put them where we want things to be bigger or brought forward. And we take things that are darker and we use them for things that we want to be smaller or brought backwards. So if you want those pillow soft lips, you want the front to be a little bit lighter and you want the sides to be a little bit darker. And what that's going to do is it's going to create the illusion of the front being big and poofy and pillowy and then the corners are going to just sort of sneak off into the background quietly. Nothing to see here. All right, so we're going to use 2 glosses. I'm using both of them from Rimmel. One's a lighter, one's a darker. I'm going to put the details in the description box, and then we're going to go to the close-up and see how it's done. So easy. I love it. All right. Realistically, you can do this with any darn gloss you have laying around. Theoretically, if the colors were to complement each other in some way, that would be cool. It doesn't matter. You need a dark one and a light one. Expensive, fancy, cheap, trashy, it doesn't matter. Today I am using some affordable glosses. I have 2 Oh My glosses from Rimmel. First one is Purr Glossy Cat. And the second one is Snog. I like it. So that's what we're going to do. Okay? We're going to do dark on the outside, Purr Glossy Cat on the inside, and I'll show you how it's done. Let's go in for the close-up. All right. I like to do the dark one on the outside first. You know why? 'Cause. So right now we are doing our Snog. Wow, that popped out right by the mic. I bet you that sounded so weird. So you're just going to put it on the outside of your lips. You're going to stop, I don't know, in the middle somewhere. I haven't even lined this. Okay, see? Just on the outside. It's on the outside. Okay, you could, if you were feeling particularly lazy, just like, but I'm actually going to put it on. But only because I'm on video. If this is my real life, I just would have them. Can we make that into a verb? To Okay. So you see how it kind of stops a little bit beside the cupid bow? Right. Well, let's double up a little. Let's go a little crazy. Let's get wild. Okay. So that was the one on the outside, Snog. Now, Glossy Cat. This one's going to go in the middle. There you go. There's one. When you're doing light in the middle, you don't have to worry so much about your cupid's bow. It'll sort itself out. Okay? Little blendy. Not too much. And then, here we definitely So that's it. Do you see how easy that was? It was insanely easy. 2 lip glosses. All of a sudden, you're made of pillows. It's amazing. Beautiful. You could even do it with lipsticks if you wanted to. You could even do it with a lipstick and a lip gloss. Oh my goodness, the possibilities are endless. It's crazy. It's just crazy. All right, what next? If you have not yet joined Club Hen and Rooster, you can do so by clicking subscribe. I don't know where it is, but there's a button and it says subscribe. And if you want to be notified automatically by YouTube to tell you exactly the moment when I upload my next video, I know, you're on the edge of your seat. It's killing you. I know. You can click a little bell. There's a bell, and it will alert you to all the things you need to know. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate having you. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow.